In this video, I shall explain how you can make money from freecash.com. We will go into detail about the specific steps you need to follow in order to earn. Once you complete these steps, the money will be credited to your FreeCash account. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and remember to click the bell icon so you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's begin our video. If you have an account on freecash.com, log in. And if you have not signed up yet, you can find the registration link in the description. After you have registered and completed your profile, click on the Earn tab. You will see an interface that looks like this. Take a look. These are the featured offers. Board Kings level 4. Earning $6.19. Popularity score are 5 stars. Description: Board Kings is the ultimate in online fun board games. Play with your friends and destroy their game boards while you grab the goods. Rewards of this task is $6.19. These steps are extremely important, so make sure to read and understand them thoroughly. Diamond Treasure Puzzle. Earning $6.16. Popularity score are 5 stars. Description: Play Diamond Treasure Puzzle and complete all tasks within 20 days. New users only. Rewards on completing levels. Complete level 5, earn $0.05. Complete level 10, earn $0.16. Complete level 15, earn $0.32. Complete level 20, earn $0.8. Complete level 30, earn $1.61. Complete level 40, earn $3.21. These steps are extremely important, so make sure to read and understand them thoroughly. Play Diamond Treasure Puzzle and complete all tasks within 20 days. New users only. You can explore these features and make even more money. See, when I click on the small arrow, more features appear. There are many ways to earn money through these features, but remember to follow the instructions to ensure your earnings are safe. Offer partners. Revenue Universe. Most popular. Reach level 42 in Board Kings and earn 6,187 coins. Play Animal Kingdom and reach level 68 and earn 6,187 coins. Install and play Ice Cream Inc. and earn 180 coins. Reach level 300 in Caesar's Slots Casino and earn 8,250 coins. I simply click on the surveys and see if there's an opportunity to earn from them or not. There are various partners with different offers that allow you to earn money in different ways. You can make more money by using these offer partners. I always advise you to remember to use safe methods for earning money. Survey partners. There are 5 survey partners that provide chances to make money. 1. BitLabs. 2. Polefish. 3. CPX Research. 4. Embrain. 5. Top Research. You can regularly check for surveys at different times to earn money every day based on your demographic profile. These are the 3 primary methods to earn on freecash.com. I hope you have gained a lot of knowledge from this video. Thanks for watching.